Trying to grow your audience on Bluesky, but not getting many followers yet? Here are some simple strategies that can help increase your reach. Start by opening Bluesky and creating regular posts that share useful or interesting content related to your interests or niche. When writing your posts, include clear keywords or hashtags that help others discover your content. Next, search for accounts in the same niche and follow them to connect with people who share similar interests. Engage with posts by liking, replying, and participating in conversations, since active interaction helps increase visibility. You can also explore the feeds section to find communities and trending discussions where your posts may reach more users. By consistently posting and engaging with others, your profile becomes more visible across the platform. As you stay active and connect with others, your Bluesky profile can gradually reach more users and grow your audience over time. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.